You're talking, abusing everybody. Nobody has power and will give it to you. Nobody, not even me. If you want a pastor as president, can get one. The politician is there in Nigeria to steal, to maim, to kill, to remain in power. If you think Tinubu will give it to you, you are wasting your time.
Yes, that was Rotimi Amechi. He was part of the meeting I was telling you in my previous video that it was organized for the purpose of grabbing power, snatching power from Tinubu. And I am not interested, okay, in these shenanigans they are doing. But there is a very important message to everyone, especially for you people who don't understand what I said here every day. I let you know that there is no amount of angels that can save Nigeria. Nigeria is irredeemable. These politicians knows the truth that you don't know. This is former Minister of Transportation. He was one time House of Assembly member for 8 years. 8 years as a governor. What has he not seen? He's telling you that, look at this is the way Nigeria is. If you want to win an election, get ready to die. So if everybody die, who else is going to enter the power? And he is saying the truth. So, if I come to tell you that Nigeria is irredeemable, believe what I am telling you. We have a lot to discuss in this video. Just listen to him.
All we hear here is typical Nigeria. Typical Nigeria, and you are clapping. That's why politicians get away with anything. They get away with murder because you have short memory. Short memory. None of you here seated can defend the votes. If you have complained, Nigerians have been clapping for you. The only way Shekarau became governor, do you know how? Because people lined up. When they ask how many people are there, they say over 500,000. No, I won't give 500,000. Announce Shekarau. It happened in Ghana. Before the election of the last president. 2 days, a lot of us were called to intervene. But why did they do that? The people were ready to die. You are talking, abusing everybody. Nobody has power and will give it to you. Nobody, not even me. If you want a pastor as president, can get one. The politician is there in Nigeria to steal, to maim, to kill, to remain in power. If you think Tinubu will give it to you, you are wasting your time. So when we speak, we forget history. Unfortunately for me, poverty has made me to be part of the political system from when I left university. I left university in 1987 and I've been part of the process till today. You can't wish me away in the formation of APC. You certainly can't wish me away. You can't wish me away in how APC won election. You can't. But the truth is that if some of us did not stick at our neck, say, PDP, good luck, we want to die with you. When they saw that we were ready to die, what did they do? They gave up power. So we have sweet mouth, we'll talk about it, we'll repeat these things every day. Tomorrow they will call you in Lagos, you will go. Somebody told me in Lagos, said, look, Mr. Amechi, I said, sir, you see these people that gathered here? I said, yes. We called them transport, this, they came. If tomorrow Tinubu comes with the same transport, they will also come. And the final example is when we are pursuing, APC was registered, and I was scared that, look, they may rig us out. So I got the party to agree that we will carry out a demonstration. They agreed that we will carry out a demonstration. We assembled at, where is that parade ground? Eagle Square. We released some money to go and bring women and all that. I walked in. One time about me, I must go early to know what is going on before people will come. See the women gathered. Guess what they are wearing? Jonathan for president. God bless you.
Now, this is a very simple message, but this message is very hard to comprehend. I have spent almost 2 years talking about this message, but people are yet to understand what I am saying on this platform every day. My message is simple. Everyone deserves to live. We don't deserve to die anyhow. We don't deserve to suffer when you claim you have a country. When I mean to suffer, if you don't have money for hospital, you can't get medication, you won't be treated. If you don't have money, you can't go to school as a citizen in your country's school. Then where is the share? I made a video at the time. I said, in Nigeria, we don't have citizens, we have slaves. We all, including you watching me, you can say, God forbid. But God is not your mate, and God does not think the way you think. So don't say, God forbid. You are a slave. Slave has nothing to do with someone they are pushing. Slave is in the mentality. How can you tell me that Nigerians knows about this? You can't vote for a leader that can lead you. They have a way of doing it. Look at this man played a very important role in removing Jonathan, in installing Buhari. He's telling you, this is the way we have been doing it, and this is the way we did it. If you want to grab power, get ready to die. How many times are we going to die? People are dying every day. And this is the Nigeria you all say you want to build. Listen to me, don't let any activist deceive you. There is no law in Africa. What we have is interest. In fact, there is no law when it comes to the globalists. There is no law in the world. It is interest we have. If you claim that we have law, look at what is happening in Nigeria. Let me use the issue of Nnamdi Kanu to give you an example. United Nations ruled that Nnamdi Kanu is being held unjustly, that he should be released with immediate effect. They did not happen to read what happened. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So, law does not exist. Kanu was kidnapped and brought to Nigeria. Who asked about the plane? Who asked? No judge has ever asked who kidnapped this man since Supreme Court has declared the kidnapping illegal. Nobody talks about that. Who are the soldiers and where are they that carry out Python dance? Supreme Court said it was illegal. Law does not exist. People are yet to understand. If I see people say, no, America, Europe, law does not exist. You must get ready to free yourself and give yourself like Fenda of blessed memory, Fenda Kuti would say, you can't dash me human right, because human right does not exist in your hands. It exists with me. I have to fight and give myself the freedom I deserve. Now, my question to you, a lot of people have been talking with me, Okocha. I think you need to think about what you are saying twice. I'm telling them that no. Before I come to this conclusion, it's not a day issue. I don't have problem. If I want to live the kind of life I want to live, I will just relax. In fact, I don't need public wahala. I will go and live the kind of life. But my conscience won't allow me to do that. We are living in a place, in a geographical place, where law does not exist. And there is no way the country can continue to grow and to go. Now, if you want to fight for the freedom, there is already problem. Look at someone like Sowore. Look at how they intimidate him. Look at Nnamdi Kanu. Look at Rotimi. Everybody that wants to fight them, they can just kill you and drop you down. Now, this is where the problem is. If Nigeria is divided today, Yoruba people solve your problem. Igbos solve your problem. Hausas solve your problem. Edos, Efik, any place, so Robos, even though you want go your own way, solve your own problem. You will see that it will be a very easy thing to solve. But we are together. The problem becomes large. If a Northerner or someone from Southeast is doing something, other people react differently. If a Northerner is doing something, other people react differently. When there was pogrom in Kano, they leave Ghanaians, they leave other countries, but they were killing the Igbos. These things has been happening right from time. So the way we are going about this is so regrettable and so unfortunate. But this message is for you who think Nigeria will get better. Go and rewatch it. Download it, download it. Just try to understand what Rotimi Amechi is saying. It's no longer Coach Happy Masay that said that. All right? Go and digest it.
Don't ever believe that a politician is a leader. Don't ever believe that. Because the system that we have produces politicians. It doesn't produce leaders. And so you can have a politician who knows nothing about leadership, and he's leading you. Politicians are concerned about the next election. That's all they're interested in. That's why they cannot be leaders. But leaders are different. Leaders are concerned about the next generation. I want you to compare those two thoughts the next time you have a politician come to your house wanting to vie for your vote. Just ask him, what is your vision for my children? I will sit and listen for 20 minutes for you to tell me what it is. He will leave your house because he has no interest in your children's children. His concern is to stay in power, to keep the position, to win the next election. This is why they cannot lead. When you are going to have a conversation with a politician, you should actually try this as a test. You, by the way, as a citizen of a community, you have a right to be seen by the mayor. Hope you know that. If you voted for a mayor, the mayor works for you. Therefore, you have a right to see him. You can make an appointment to see any public officer you voted for. Did you know that? That's your legal right. If he don't want to see you, you can take him to court. That's democracy. So I want you to make an appointment to go and see your mayor or go and see your governor and just sit and say, I want 30 minutes with you, sir. And ask him about that list right there. Sir, what is your purpose for being in leadership in this city? What is your purpose? The first question will make him very nervous. Second question, what is your passion for our community? He'll be wondering what you're talking about. What are you talking about? I just want to build roads and bridges and provide jobs. No. What is your passion? And this is why we need to question the leaders we have. And so I have a little thought here. I call it politics versus leadership. Let's talk about it for a second. Number one, politicians focus on programs, not vision. Number two, politicians' priority is securing the next election, not securing the next generation. Their focus is different. Number three, politicians are preoccupied with promises, not purpose. What we need is statesmen, stateswomen. We don't need more politicians. A statesman is an interesting human. A statesman thinks of the next generation.